If you're an IT professional, you know that troubleshooting can sometimes feel like a never-ending game of whack-a-mole. You fix one problem, and another pops up. But what if there was a way to streamline your IT support, reduce time spent on issues, and get more efficient at resolving problems? In this video, we're going to talk about GoTo Resolve and how it can improve your troubleshooting efficiency. Stick around to the end because we'll also be covering some awesome alternatives that could work even better for your needs. Let's dive in. GoTo Resolve is a solid choice for IT support, particularly if you're dealing with a lot of remote troubleshooting. The platform offers a lot of features designed to save you time, like remote desktop access and multi-session support. Instead of bouncing between multiple tools, GoTo Resolve gives you a streamlined experience in one place. The ability to quickly access a remote machine and resolve an issue in real time can drastically cut down your troubleshooting time. Next, the reporting and monitoring features are a real standout. With GoTo Resolve, you can generate reports and monitor multiple systems from one dashboard. That means no more flipping between tabs or constantly checking in on systems. Everything you need is in one place. However, one thing I noticed is that the reports are sometimes a bit generic, and you might want more granular data for detailed analysis. The third thing worth mentioning is their mobile app. IT support isn't always done at a desk, so having an app that allows you to handle issues on the go is a major benefit. GoTo Resolve does a pretty good job in this department, allowing you to troubleshoot remotely from your mobile device. But the app experience isn't flawless. It can occasionally feel clunky or slow, especially when trying to access larger systems or troubleshooting complex issues. Now, let's talk about integrations. GoTo Resolve integrates with a lot of third-party tools, which is great if you're already using other platforms for ticketing, user management, or system monitoring. But it's not as flexible as some other solutions on the market. If you have specific software needs, you may find yourself needing a workaround. But what about the cost? GoTo Resolve has a competitive pricing structure, but it can get pricey for larger teams or organizations with many systems to monitor. While the free trial gives you a good feel for the software, you might find that the full price doesn't justify the features if you're running a smaller operation or only need basic functionality. Next, let's look at some alternatives. While GoTo Resolve has its strengths, there are a few other solutions that might suit your needs better. For example, we've looked into software that offers better integrations, more detailed reporting, and a more intuitive mobile app experience. In some cases, these alternatives offer enhanced features at a better price, which could help you maximize your IT support efforts. So, in conclusion, GoTo Resolve is a good tool for IT support if you're looking for something that combines remote access, monitoring, and reporting in one place. But depending on your specific needs, you might find better options out there. I've got something exciting for you. Through our exclusive link, you can get access to an extended free trial of GoTo Resolve, so you can test it for yourself. Plus, we've found some amazing alternatives that could be a better fit for improving your troubleshooting efficiency. These alternatives also have free trials, and through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Check the description below for the best free trials and special offers. Thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments which tool you think will work best for you.